Hey guys, it's Ewan with the Air Zoo. Let's take a look at our FM-2 Wildcat restoration because it's been a while since we've did an update on this airplane. So as you can see, we've got its little stub wings, as we call them, on the aircraft. Beautiful stuff on both sides, which is incredible, which means we can put the aircraft on some jacks and we can finally see if our cowling fits. This piece of cowling in particular, hello there, has been a project to try and get exactly right. And the guys were finally able to get the aircraft on the jacks, bring the gear up, and guess what? It fit perfectly. Great job on those guys. Hopefully next week I'm going to try and get them to demonstrate that on video. But yeah, this bit of cowling I believe has been a little bit of a project. You can see on this table here, we have the same bit of cowling. This bit of cowling has actually been liberated from our FM-2 Wildcat in the other building. So if you go across there, you'll see it's missing a bit of cowling. It's because the guys liberated it, brought it across to this building to study it, replicate it. Fantastic job. Let's move towards the back of the aircraft. You can see here on this wing stub, we've got some of the accessories coming together to really complete that wing folding mechanism. You can see up here we've got the handle that's used for the wing locking. So really, really cool. Nice job on that. Moving back, we can see that glass, fiberglass construction on this little bit here is coming along really nice. Barely noticeable that it's not made out of the metal. And we come across here, we can see one of the horizontal stabilizers coming together. The control surface up here. This, what is it called? The slab, the stab? Stab. Very cool. So that's all coming together. And then if you notice as well, on this table, we're starting to construct just the little bits and bobs out of fiberglass again. Simply because, you know, after World War II, they got rid of all the stamps and stuff. So for us to try and recreate something like that out of sheet metal, it's going to be a whole process. We'd rather just do it in fiberglass because at the end of the day, this aircraft's not going to be flying anytime soon. So really, really cool, really exciting to see this aircraft actually begin to look like an aircraft. When we first got it, it looked like a crushed up soda can. Now it looks like an actual airplane. Really exciting. I'm going to do a more in-depth update about this aircraft in the coming weeks. So if there's anything about this project in particular you want to know about, let me know in the comments and I will do my best to answer those questions or investigate those aspects of the restoration more. But really, really exciting to see this thing come along.